guys are lunatics.
Yeah, well, General, you should learn to enjoy your vacation time more, you know?
This isn't exactly standard procedure, landing a plane like this in a joint like this. A gnat couldn't even get in here.
Actually, gnats choose the narrow polar stalks to land on.
Pace, how far to Hanoi?
About 10 clicks.
Hey, man, I can't believe it. I made it all the way.
Yes, well, you did black out for a small part of the trip, like from Kansas City to Manila.
Technically, he didn't blank out. He was mildly catatonic.
Just how in the hell are we gonna get out of here?
How did we get in here? That's what I want to know.
Let's get this thing camouflaged. I want to be in Hanoi before dark. Lieutenant, I know it's good to be back, but we got work to do. Okay, General, it's your call. Where do we go from here?
We have to head for the village of Dakar, but I don't think we should attempt it tomorrow morning.
That means we need a place to stay, Base. Can you do anything about that?
Sure. Sheraton Hotel, downtown Hanoi. Oh, no fooling, really.
Man, they're gonna notice 5 Americans checking in.
Ah, yes, but who'll pay attention to Monsieur Pierre Lebec? Yeah, Europeans, especially the French, are in very good relations with the Vietnamese.
Eastern world, it is exploding, violence flaring, bullets loading. You're old enough to kill, but not for voting. You don't believe in war, but what's that gun you're toting? And even the Jordan River has bodies floating, but you tell me over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Don't you understand what I'm trying to say? Can't you feel the fears I'm feeling today? If the button is pushed, there's no running away. There'll be no one to save with the world in a grave. Take a look around you, boy. It's bound to scare you, boy. And you tell me over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Yeah, my blood's so mad, feels like coagulating. I'm sitting here just contemplating. I can't twist the truth, it knows no regulation. Handful of senators don't pass legislation, and marches alone can't bring integration. When human respect is disintegrating, this whole crazy world is just too frustrating. And you tell me over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction.
Where's Fulbright?
Are you sure this is where you're supposed to bring me? Norgoy Noyai, Kutkam. Kutkam, wait!
Fulbright, hit the deck!
Get her, Face!
Face, help him. He's gonna need it.